While a pulley may be a luxury in many situations out on the river, it can be extremely useful, and it's going to save a situation if you need to put a lot of load on a rope in a mechanical advantage or a Z-drag. While it's okay to double it back through a carabiner, this is going to put an extremely tight bend at the point where it goes past the carabiner, and it's going to increase the likelihood of the rope breaking if you're getting close to the breaking point of the rope. Therefore, adding a pulley, and this is a specific rescue type of pulley, will increase the diameter of the bend and make it less likely that the rope is going to break at that point. It is also, because you've got the runner, going to decrease the friction in the system and make the system more efficient, so that you get closer to the mechanical advantage that the system is theoretically supposed to provide. These things can be expensive. However, if you anticipate putting a lot of load on your rope or getting into these situations, then it's often a good thing to invest in, and it fits nicely in your PFD, and it's not going to be affected by being wet and damp a lot of the time.